Once we receive the package, I'm gonna show you guys how to take out the machine from the package board. Take out the accessories and machine from the box. Now, first step, we're gonna place in the grounding place. Plug in the power cord and then turn on the switch. Firstly, we need to put in water about 1.5 liter. Now, check out the touch panel is in good condition or not. That proves all going well. Currently, we're presenting how to maintain the machines in our daily use. Firstly, turn on the tap and drain away wasted water. Cut off the powers and then wire up inside the part of the machine to keep it clean and dry. Now, we're gonna show you guys how to remove the grounding plate. Firstly, remove the 6 screws. Remove the baffle. And the last steps, take off the grounding mat. Further, replace the new grounding mat. And replace the baffle. Install the 6 screws. Now is the end of the process of replacing the grounding mat. Use the spanner to twist off the grounding wheel. Replace the new grounding wheel. Now is end of the processing of replace all the accessories. If you need to replace water pump, take out the broken one. And then cut the power cables of it. Prepare a brand new water pump, replace it. Connect with the water pump. Connect the power cable. The new cable of water pump. After finish connecting the cable, and then put it back to the previous position. And all the operation in replacing water pump is complete.